what's up guys? It's me, welcome back to my channel, and we're riding on a car. So I don't vlog that we're going to the Nova Desi on Sports Fest, but it's okay.
Hindi daw niya na-vlog yung Nova Desi.
We're going to my graduation and recognition, so we're riding on a grab car.
Baka yan na yung future mo, Axel. Vlogger. Where are we going now?
To QC
We're in QC.
Hotel,
Which hotel?
Everly.
Every?
IDK about that. Aberdeen Hotel
Court.
and QC.
Okay. Puro mukha mo naman yun nasa picture. Bakit namin daan? Ayan, oh.
That is our road.
That is our
Sabarte.
Sabarte Road.
Uy, magpakita kami.
Napakasungit nito ni Margaret. Hindi ko naman pinakita.
Papakita mo.
Kakat ko na lang yun. Wow, kalawang galing.
We play one night yesterday it's along ILTA means LATA means a long time ago.
Ay, maganda ka.
And a long time ago, we go to Tatailio.
Ito yung nasa likod ko.
Oh, later naman ulit. Later naman ulit.
I will video for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And later, I am gonna vlog on Commonwealth. Mami, mag-vlog ako next sa
Sige
Commonwealth.
na, malulubat ako. Sige, wala tayong pang video mamaya pag andun na.
This is part 1. We're in Sabarte. I will make more videos about riding. So, or else I will vomit in this day.
I will susuka daw siya. Later na ulit. Para
Okay,
maubos
bye.
yung battery.